This renovation, like all others presented on our channel, is supervised by the Austrian Institute for Building Protection.
In today's video, we're going to show you how we tackle mosses, fungi, and lichens that appear in areas where they shouldn't be present, as they pose a potential risk to our overall health. Constantly damp sections of walls are breeding grounds for mold fungi. For the proliferation of mold fungi, a consistently high level of humidity exceeding 60% is absolutely essential, along with a sufficient supply of nutrients such as organic matter residues, dust particles, and plant debris. We have divided the entire process into two distinct stages, the initial phase of which involves the thorough removal of both fungi and algae using a high-pressure washer. This is a very effective method, especially when dealing with smooth, non-porous surfaces such as plaster, tiles, or concrete. However, it's important to remember that not all walls can withstand high water pressure. If you're working with delicate surfaces like wood, wallpaper, or painted walls, a pressure washer could cause damage. Following a comprehensive cleaning process which involved the meticulous removal of all organic residues, including fungi, mold, and moss, we then proceeded to apply the specialized NCT hydro agent through a precise spray application method. This particular product is a unique sodium silicate formulation derived from water glass and enhanced with an NCT catalyst. It deeply penetrates the concrete structure up to 50 millimeters, effectively vitrifying and strengthening it. By utilizing NCT Hydro, we have successfully created a hydrophobic antibacterial surface that significantly hinders the adhesion of bacteria, fungi, and algae to its surface. This significantly reduces their ability to multiply and spread across the surface. This surface is much easier to keep clean as the hydrophobic coating prevents contaminants, dirt, and bacteria from adhering to it.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.